time on the side real quick, please? Let's knock this out in one take, alright guys? Thank you. Hey, what up YouTube world? My name is Vic, and I want to welcome you all to my channel. Just a little bit of info on my background. I'm a national board certified licensed massage therapist and health educator. I've been practicing for about 14 years now. I'm a huge basketball enthusiast. I've studied and played the game my whole life. I'm a coach, I'm an athlete, I'm a father of 2 incredible kids who, by the way, they'll be making guest appearances on here as well too. I'm obsessively passionate about studying the muscular anatomy, both the performance and the recovery side. So within my channel, you're going to see a lot of content just based off the many chapters in my life that I've grown to be passionate about. So it's a lot of information that I've learned throughout my journey, and it's stuff that I just want to share, be able to share with you all.
Okay, so let's get back to the video. So Massage Tip Monday is going to be a series of videos that I'm going to be able to use to teach stretches and self-massage techniques that basically anybody and everybody can use throughout the day to be able to relieve both muscle tension, pain, or discomfort. And in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to cover just a simple, quick, and easy neck and shoulder stretch. First one is a lateral neck stretch to create relief on the right side of your neck and shoulders. Just laterally tilt your head to the left, basically having your left ear try to touch your left shoulder as you feel a deep stretch on the right side. Always remember to keep everything relaxed, and most importantly, take slow, deep breaths during this stretch and any other stretch that you perform. Next one is a diagonal neck flexion stretch to create relief on the left posterior side of your neck, also the back of the neck. You're going to rotate your head diagonally to the right, and you're going to have your chin touch your right chest muscle. Pulling down with your right hand will also create a deeper stretch that's going to require you to focus on your slow, deep breaths even more. And for these stretches, I always just like to suggest to do both sides just to create a balance for the body.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching this quick stretch tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a little bit out of it. Before we go, if you could just please hit that subscribe button, like, comment on this video. I'd really appreciate that. So until next time, y'all. Peace.